Hi everyone, I am Mingxiang Liao from the University of Chinese Academy of Sciences. I am glad to share our new work, Attention Shift, Iteratively Estimated Part-Based Attention Map for Pointly Supervised Instance Segmentation, with you. Instance segmentation is a crucial task in the field of computer vision. However, fully supervised instance segmentation methods heavily rely on pixel-level annotations of objects, leading to high annotation costs and limiting their scalability on massive datasets. Image-level category annotations can substantially reduce the annotation expenses. Nonetheless, they sacrifice the instance-level information, thus impeding further enhancements in model performance. Point annotation, which involves annotating each object with points and categories, offers a promising solution by effectively balancing instance-level information and annotation efficiency, thereby holding great potential for various applications. Despite its promising prospects, point-supervised instance segmentation still faces the challenge of semantic bias within weak supervision. The most discriminative part or region around supervision point can be misunderstood as semantic of the whole object. We call this phenomenon semantic bias. One challenge in point-supervised learning lies in the significant semantic variance between different parts of an object. For instance, the dog head and dog tail belong to the same semantic category of dog. But their visual appearances can be quite distinct. When using a single point of supervision, these methods may estimate the overall semantic label of dog based on the most discriminative part or the region surrounding the supervision point, resulting in what is known as semantic bias. In our statistical analysis of vision transformers, we found that only 33% of self-attention maps cover more than 50% of the foreground pixels, despite its ability to model long-range feature dependencies. Self-attention maps still appear susceptible to the issue of semantic bias. In this study, we present attention shift as a solution to address the issue of semantic bias. Attention shift aims to estimate fine-grained semantics for multiple parts of instances and trains an instance segmenter using the estimated fine-grained semantics. It employs an iterative optimization procedure that decomposes each instance into parts using key points derived from mean feature vectors. Additionally, attention shift dynamically updates these key points in a manner similar to mean shift in the feature space. This is the pipeline of attention shift, consisting of two steps: token querying and key point shift. In the token querying step, we introduce a point prediction task that associates additional point tokens with point supervisions. These point tokens then generate a self-attention map for each object. These self-attention maps serve as seed regions for each object, enabling the generation of an instance attention map. However, the instance attention map still faces the challenge of semantic bias. In the key point shift step, we begin by randomly initializing several key points. These key points are then adaptively shifted towards stable and extreme points within the feature space, for each key point. We estimate the part-based attention map by calculating the cosine similarity between the key point features and the image features. Next, we utilize a weighted mean shift method with adaptive bandwidth to shift the key points toward semantic extreme points of each part. This refinement process ensures that the key points are accurately positioned to align with the most distinctive and representative areas within each part. By iteratively updating and refining the key points through the mean shift process, attention shift aims to enhance the accuracy and robustness of the part-based attention map. This enables the model to better capture fine-grained semantics and address the issue of semantic bias in instance segmentation. After convergence, we address the issue of noisy key points by implementing a filtering mechanism. Key points that have shifted to the background or regions with low relevance are filtered out. We achieve this by removing key points that do not have significant overlap with the high-confidence areas on the instance attention map. Furthermore, to reduce redundancy and improve efficiency, we merge key points that exhibit high similarity. This helps to consolidate and refine the key point representation, ensuring that each key point accurately represents a distinct and meaningful part of the instance. This is the comprehensive flowchart of attention shift, which adopts the MASC-RCNN framework. In this approach, we consider the key points of each object as pseudo-ground truth points to provide supervision for the mask decoder.to generate the pseudo-bounding boxes. We enclose the self-attention map for each object with tight boxes. These boxes serve as an approximation of the object's boundaries, enabling accurate training and supervision of the mask decoder. By incorporating the mask RCNN framework and utilizing the key points as pseudo-ground truth, AttentionShift enhances the instance segmentation process, enabling the model to effectively learn and predict the masks for each object. AttentionShift achieves strong performance on both Pascal VOC 2012 and MS COCO 2017. Setting a solid baseline for PSAS based on Vision Transformer. This visualization showcases the instance attention map, which effectively reduces noise in the self-attention maps and enables discrimination between different objects. The instance attention map demonstrates robustness to occlusion. As it primarily relies on semantic similarity, the segmentation result further validates these observations, as it aligns with the refined instance attention map and accurately captures the boundaries and details of the objects. This visualization demonstrates the process of key point shift. Initially, the key points are randomly initialized, and then iteratively adjusted toward semantic extreme points within each object during the shift process. Any key points that have shifted to the background or regions of low relevance are filtered out. This helps eliminate noise and ensures that only meaningful key points remain. Additionally, key points that are highly similar to each other are merged to reduce redundancy and improve efficiency. This consolidation process allows for a more compact representation of the object's distinctive parts. By iteratively refining the key points through the shift, filtering, and merging steps, the model can generate a more accurate and robust representation of each object's key points, capturing their semantic extreme points and enhancing the overall instance segmentation performance. To summary, we propose a part-based attention map estimation approach for PSAS, which estimates fine-grained semantics of instances to alleviate the semantic bias problem in a systematic fashion. We represent object parts using key points and leverage AttentionShift to operate key points in the feature space, providing a simple yet effective fashion to optimize part-based attention maps. AttentionShift achieves state-of-the-art performance. Setting a solid PSAS baseline using Vision Transformer.